So today I'm going to be taking a look at the brand new Honor MagicPad 4. This is just going to be an unboxing, setup and first impressions video going through some of the specs of this really thin tablet, and I will hold it side by side with the previous Honor MagicPad 3. So let's get into it. Okay, so here is the brand spanking new Honor MagicPad 4 12.3 inch. And we've got it with 12 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of storage. So I'm interested to see what this, what this tablet is like, as they are claiming some pretty interesting specs with this one being a very thin tablet. So we'll just lift the lid. On top you've got your MagicPad 4, which we'll set aside for a second. We've got a Honor Supercharge maximum 66 watt. This is just a 2-pin plug, but of course once this phone is up and ready you will get a proper adapter, and then you just got a charging cable in there. So we'll just chuck that aside for a minute. And here is the brand new Honor MagicPad 4. Really nice and a very thin tablet. Let's just hold it next to the MagicPad 3. Apparently not very well. And there you go. You can just about see that it is a slimmer tablet, but a very similar design. So it's a 12.3 inch, not quite as big as the 13-inch display on the MagicPad 3. So we'll power on and see if she's got any juice, and once she lights up you can see that she's got some pretty slim bezels. Now for reference, there you go, that's the bezels on the MagicPad 3, and that's the bezels on the MagicPad 4. They are so much smaller. So once you've powered up your device, you're prompted with the usual setup bits and bobs: setting your language, United Kingdom, accepting the terms of use, connecting to the Wi-Fi. Okay, so once you've added in your Wi-Fi and your Google information, you will then be prompted to set up your face recognition and password. So I'm just going to set a password just like that. I won't set up the face unlock at the moment, but that is of course using that selfie camera taking a 2D image of your face, so it is less secure than using a pin. So I'm not going to back up anything just yet, and then it's just going through the usual bits and bobs, setting up Gemini, all that sort of stuff. Agree, but I'm not going to do that just yet. No, not yet. I have got, of course, an Honor ID, but I will be skipping that for the moment, and then just enabling location services for things like maps and shopping and all those bits. And then of course you can select the usual gestures or 3 keys. I like using the gestures, so we'll finish with that. And then you're greeted with your Magic OS 10, and there you are greeted with your Honor MagicPad 4 with its 12.3 inch 165 Hz display, which is up from the 144 Hz found on the Honor MagicPad 3. You've got some really super slim bezels, very slim design. Camera housing on the back is similar to the previous generation, and then you've got your pins on the back for connecting a keyboard. So spec wise, we're running the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 3nm processor, and yeah, very similar in performance to the Snapdragon 8 Elite. I think it just sits a slight tier below. And then you've got a 10,100 mAh battery in this very slim body, which is nice and impressive. And then you've got 66 watt fast charging as well. So overall it's a really nice looking tablet, and you've got the usual bits and bobs when it comes to, you know, customizing with themes and wallpapers and all of those bits. You can select more themes, but because I haven't signed into my Honor ID, it probably won't let me download them just yet. But yeah, overall it's just a really nice looking tablet, very lightweight. I don't have my Honor Pad 10 to hand, which would have been a nice sort of side-by-side comparison as well, because it's the same size but just considerably thinner and lighter. You've got speakers at the bottom there, and you've got speaker grills at the top for some nice stereo sound, obviously USB-C charging port, volume rocker on that side, power button there. Yeah, just overall a really nice looking tablet. Let me know what you think of this Honor MagicPad 4. This is just a very quick first impressions video, as I can't give you too much information just yet, but I am hoping to do a little bit more content around this. So subscribe if you want to see more tablet content on my channel. Catch you in the next one.